So, we are opening Russian and Ukrainian MREs today.
Some trophies on the battlefield. I expect Ukrainian to be better, no?
Yeah, probably. I mean,
Let's start with the enemy.
given the lack of enthusiasm the Russians have for their own
Yeah, by the way, yes. You know, the special thing about these packs is that they, as they burn, they smell in a very specific way. And everybody gets this sweetish smell from inside, destroyed vehicles. So I believe those were like these MREs burning. So what do we have here?
Right.
We have paid by Russian taxpayers.
Army bacon.
Bacon.
Ooh. We have some kind of pate from liver.
Pate. Yep.
Liver. Processed cheese.
Cheese.
Applesauce. And кабачки.
Cabbages.
Rice with beef and then meatballs.
Meatballs, yeah. What's just important is the military.
Army style chocolate.
Wow. It's the special kind. It must be tough. And besides, galette, the cookies. They're tough as hell.
It reminds me like slightly less appetizing version of airline food.
If you're stuck at the checkpoint somewhere in Horlivka, so this might be not the worst thing for you to taste.
It's okay. Cheese.
Holy
shit! It may have been slightly expired.
Do you think I'll stay alive?
I know. Horrifying.
I know, but these are toils of war.
Wow. This is one of the least appetizing things I've ever seen in my life.
Just imagine yourself being like three months deployment.
I heard that in the U.S., the U.S. MREs give a week without going to the bathroom kind of situation. So I wonder if these do the same.
The battle for toilet begins, right?
Mm-hmm. When you eat it, you'll shit bricks. Yeah.
What is this?
This
This is a plastide or something.
Каша рисовая с говядиной. It's rice with beef. Looks like one undifferentiated mass of something. This is like rice and beef. But it's pretty inoffensive.
It's meatballs. Meatballs. How come? How is this supposed to be meatballs? People, corruption kills.
Well, I mean, Russia has a very Orwellian approach to its language, so
It's not even close to being
balls don't necessarily have to be spherical. My least favorite one. These two, I think, are on par with each other.
Dessert.
Yeah.
Oh my god. The army chocolate is really armor style.
Chocolate's okay. The applesauce, not so much though. I imagine morale drops however
As you
much
see
every
these
time you
meatballs.
open it up and see this, mass
Meatballs,
in front
and
of
you
you.
are supposed to go like this, like 3, 4, 5 months.
So how many out of 10?
I would say it's 4 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it a
4 out of 10.
I'll give it a nice solid 4.
We being not super demandful males,
We're not
Big cities.
gourmet gentlemen.
Now finally, something that is close to our heart. The forces of good. So, I know the difference between the Russian and the Ukrainian MREs is that the Canadian MREs are rational. Yeah, so it's 3 meals. I'm excited.
Right.
It's the cookies. It's coffee.
I wonder how many people just pour this in their mouth.
and then drink water,
Yeah.
some sugar, and then. So the meal of the day is same rice.
Rice with beef.
Rice with beef.
That's it. Yeah.
Please enjoy.
What is that on the outside? What am I looking at here?
It's the fat.
Oh, this is like at least 2 points better than the Russian.
Whoa! Even in this regard, we're winning.
Yeah, it's got more flavor. It's slightly too salty, but I can live with it.
The bread is better.
Yeah, this pate is actually pretty good. The crackers are super stale.
You should have seen Polish crackers. They're as hard as the Polish nation.
So what makes this the breakfast versus the lunch and the dinner?
I don't know. Let's find out. And beef. Whoa,
That is fat.
a lot of fat.
Make sure to get some of the fat because
Because you have to taste the whole of it.
it actually tastes better than it looks.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it would be even better if it was heated up, but
So, you have had 2 meals of the day. Do you feel empowered, ready to fight, ready to...
I think this
Run
stuff.
through the jungle.
Could keep me going for a while.
Does it feel conflicting? I mean, Russian and Ukrainian food inside of you?
They're fighting inside, but we'll see it too.
Unlike in the real world, my internal security council is very strong. So I've noticed that there's less, chocolates and things like that.
Yeah, but they have sugar.
They have
Sugar and honey. Sugar and honey.
porridgey grains with beef.
Beef.
This one's pretty tasteless. honestly.
Tasteless?
Yeah. Like it's inoffensive, but I can barely.
And almost 1,000 calories.
1,000 calories, this whole thing. Wow.
Okay, overall score. Out of 10.
What we can see is that this particular variant of Ukrainian food does not have many sweet things except
Yeah.
for loads of sugar.
Right. So based on just the quality and the inventory, I would not go higher than 5.5. As for the taste, I would say 6.5. Kind of reaches the dizzying heights of basically okay. But they're rations.
It's like your
Michelin star
Yeah,
restaurant.
it's your emergency food. We need a lot of assistance with this. So if you feel hungry, just do not hesitate to drop by the KI office. We have something for you.